Hi, this is Laura from Riffyn, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Riffyn's existing tools to transfer a time series plan for your bioreactors from your process design to your experiments. So the first thing you would do is create a time series plan in Excel. So this is what my plan looks like. It's got a time series plan for 4 different bioreactors, and that covers 3 different properties: agitation, pH, and temperature, all versus time. And so I would simply upload that file to a procedural task in my process design, and then when I'm ready to execute an experiment on that process, that file will get transferred to the experiment. And then when I'm ready to upload the data, all I would need to do is download that file. I could open it if I wanted to look at it. And then when I'm ready, I can just upload it by clicking this button, find it on my computer, be in my downloads. So there it is. We'll click apply. And there it is. There's my data. I have data for my agitation speed, pH, temperature, and time. Let me show you that. So here it is for my first bioreactor. There's the data that was in the Excel file is now in my Riffyn experiment. For bioreactor 1, it's also there for bioreactor 2, for bioreactor 3. Let's say that you made a mistake and you realize that you actually wanted to change one of your time series plans. That's not a problem. I would simply delete the data file that I just uploaded by, I need to close this. I would click delete. Okay, and then I'm going to go to that file that I just downloaded. I'm going to make some changes. Let's say I want to change this to like 100, 200, 300. Okay, now I'm just going to save it. I will, let's see, I'm going to save it to my, I'll just save it to my downloads. Okay, okay. Now I'm going to go back to my experiment. I'm going to, I can just upload that right here. Okay, there's my new one. Click apply. Okay, and there's the new data. So if I go to that bioreactor 1, you can see that my agitation ramp up has now changed. And here's a really cool trick. If you decide that you want that to be your plan moving forward, all you'd have to do is delete the old plan. Then you would click this button that allows you to make changes to your procedural tasks. Oops, click here. I'm going to click this button to upload. Okay, there it is. So now I've uploaded that new plan. And now if I just want to make a new experiment, but I want to copy this new plan to the new experiment and copy the runs to the new experiment, then I just say create experiment. I'm going to use this experiment as a template. Go back to this step, you can see that my runs are there, and that new time series plan is also on the new experiment. So let's say I'm a new user, I haven't seen this experiment plan before, I just download that into my computer, and now it's ready for upload into this new experiment. So there's my download. Again, I click apply, and there it is. There's my data. That's my time series data that we modified in the previous experiment. Now here it is on this new experiment using that old experiment as a template. As always, let me know if you have any questions. You can also access our help and from this button, and you can also email us directly using this link. Okay, thanks a lot.